Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we're all about exploring, traveling, and food. So one thing that attracts people in Mombasa is the beaches. They're mostly the beaches, but there's another perspective of Mombasa that I've come to love: the food. So today I'll be taking you to one of the biryani joints in Mombasa, and it's a place called Chuda. I don't know if that is the right pronunciation, because at first when I heard the word Chuda, I thought it is written CHUNDOR. Surprisingly, I realized it's supposed to be TUDOONR. So today I'll be heading to Chuda, so join me as we explore this amazing joint. So which other delicacy do you love from Mombasa? Because apart from the biryani, there is shawarma, there is karai, and they are very interesting and delicious meals. So I'm now at Airport Road heading to Chuda. I'm now at Makopa Bridge, and when you are at Makopa Bridge, you're able to see the Indian Ocean. I'm at the roundabout entering the Nakupa area. Here we are at Chuda
and we are about to get to our joint.
So here in this joint we have biryani. There is biryani nusu and biryani full. Biryani nusu is about what I was served. It was 300 bob and it's enough to even serve 2 people. So if you want to enjoy a wonderful meal, affordable meal, you can contact them for any orders. So apart from this drink, please let me know any other place that has biryani and other delicacies that someone can enjoy while here at Mombasa. Thank you for watching this far. Please remember to like, subscribe, and comment about any other place that you'd like me to explore while here at Mombasa. And thank you for watching.